Hey, what's up everybody? It's the beginning of March and snow's off the ground, so we decided to take a trip camping for the weekend. We ended up going out to a camping spot we like to go to in the summer. It's Okanagan South, just a provincial site, but it is open for winter camping. So we're going out there now to check it out, see how nice it is. It's nice outside, so I gotta assume it's gonna be nice there too. But anyway, we'll see how it goes.
So this is the second season that we've used our Big Agnes hotel tent with the vestibule. Love the vestibule because it keeps all of our bags and shoes and everything dry. And it's nice and cozy warm. So we'll be nice and toasty tonight with all of our blankets and our first time winter camping this year.
Alright, let's have a peek inside and see how good it looks. Nice and cozy. I'll keep it nice and warm later.
So apparently we have some neighbors right beside our campsite. You can tell these are just freshly chewed through from some resident beavers. Not sure where they're going to take them on this great big lake, but maybe we'll see them later.
Alright, so we're gonna have dinner. I am gonna have rustic 3-cheese sausage lasagna made by Alpine Air, and Carm is gonna have lasagna with meat sauce from Mountain House. Now some people don't like Mountain House, but this lasagna is pretty tasty, so we're gonna go with it.
With Merlot.
Ooh, and because we're classy, we're having actually cab sav, but in a skillet, and a classy wine glass, which comes into 2 pieces, by the way, because we are super classy like that.
Way.
Oh, wait, don't run away.
What?
I found you.
Jeez.
Yay! All right, I have created a sin. As you can see, there's my wine glass, there's the bottle, there is all my wine on the tailgate. Oops. Okay, so we're in bed. Got the awesome Klymit inflatable light, which is really cool. We've got our propane heater, which is warming up before we go to bed. Toilet paper, obvious reasons. I think we're ready to go. So I guess we'll see you tomorrow. Alright, so apparently I forgot to tuck my laces in. This is a big thing, because if you have it out there like that, apparently rodents get at them. Not that they're out right now because it's freaking cold, but we should always put them inside your shoes when you go to bed.
And
so
bring
we're gonna
the
do
toilet
that.
paper inside.
And do that too, because you know they'll probably eat at it.